What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. Its first law states that no form of energy can be created or destroyed, but only transformed from one form to another. Thermodynamics principles are used in various applications, such as ship engines, power plants, and home refrigerators. They also play a role in designing chemical reactions such as hot or cold packs. The zeroth law of thermodynamics. The fourth law of thermodynamics is actually called zeroth law. This law was lately understood while the three laws have been around already. But the concept of zeroth law is fundamental that it should go before the other law, so instead of remaining the other laws, this law is named zeroth laws. In simpler words, if A is in thermal equilibrium with B, and A is also in thermal equilibrium in another body of C, thus B is in thermal equilibrium with C. A is equals to B and equals to C. Bodies reaching thermal equilibrium means that there already no heat transfer because these bodies have the same amount of heat. The famous first law of thermodynamics states that no form of energy can be created or destroyed, but transfer one form to another. There the total of energy in universe remains the sun. Thermodynamics principles are used to everywhere. The engine of ships, of thermodynamic cycles, power plants, transfer heat from the hot surface, such as burning coal, heat water refrigeration, thermodynamics ideas used to combining chemical reactions, for instance, to explode. The first law of thermodynamics is a formulation of the law. The second law of thermodynamics states that the state of entropy of the entire universe as an isolated system will always increase over time. The second law also states that changes in the entropy in the universe can never be negative. Thermodynamics states that in any natural process, the total entropy of a system and its surroundings will always increase, leading to a direction of irreversible change in the universe. Thermodynamics is a physical law based on universal empirical observation concerning heat and energy interconversions. A simple statement of the law is that heat always flows spontaneously from hotter to colder regions of matter, or downhill, in terms of the temperature gradient. The third law of thermodynamics, the real-life application. The production of superconductors are material that exhibits zero electrical resistance and extremely low temperature. This is because of the temperature drops. The electrons in the material are forced into a state of proper order. It is think that the superconductivity and the replication of the third law of thermodynamics can be seen the study of black holes. Black holes are known for their incredibly low temperature, which can be close to zero, and temperature drops of the black hole. This phenomenon known as Hawking radiation, the K concept of the black hole, and the conclusion of third law of thermodynamics in real application in the field of chemistry. In this study of chemical reactions, it is important to consider the reactions and productions.